morning from Knoxville. As you can probably tell, we're not in our RV. And honestly, we haven't been in our RV for about 2.5 weeks now. We've been going from hotel to hotel in Knoxville. We are staying right now in the Residence Inn downtown, so we can have easy access to all the restaurants and free shuttles and all that stuff. I'll get to the reason why later. But for the last month, we started out in Atlanta. We stayed outside of Atlanta at the Stone Mountain Park. I wasn't too crazy about staying at Stone Mountain because, you know, they have the carving of the Confederate generals. But there were black people all around, black people going for walks in the park, so I guess they didn't really care anymore. From Stone Mountain, we did venture into Atlanta to go see the King Center and the Carter Center. All right, we are at the Carter Presidential Museum and Library. We're going to go take a look around here, and then we're going to take the bikes and ride over to the King Center. We left Atlanta and headed north to Chattanooga, Tennessee. So today we are in downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee, just across the state line from Georgia. We are at the Bluff View Arts District and just touring around. It was 2 hours of free parking, so that made our decision to stop. Here it looks like she's on her knees giving him a blowjob.
Well, it's a son, father and son.
Oh yeah, that's not appropriate. In Chattanooga, we went to Ruby Falls, which is a tour of an underground cavern and also an underground waterfall. And then, just outside of Knoxville, this happened. We were coming out of Knoxville, and this happened. We lost the whole tire. The whole lug nuts, they all sheared off. So we're not sure how this is going to get taken care of. We called Interstate Truck Service. They're coming out, and they said they can repair it on site. So let's hope for the best. As always, getting parts for a specialty rig can cause problems. There were no hubs like the one we needed that were anywhere around. In fact, the repair guy said, I haven't seen this type of hub for 3 years. So they had to order it from the manufacturer. That took a lot of time. Likewise, they wanted to go ahead and replace the missing wheel. Getting a hub that fit took a lot of time. So one thing we've learned from all this is don't buy from a small company. Make sure you know where they source their parts, because you're going to have a problem if anything ever goes wrong. Our rig is supposed to be done tomorrow, April 19th. So we hope to be making our way northeast towards Delaware. There I'm going to meet my friends for our annual golf outing, and then we'll be heading back into Maryland, up near Frederick, to catch up with family, friends, take care of a lot of different things before we start heading south again for the closing of our house. Remember, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to stay up to date on our journey. And as always, safe travels.